He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion.
He's can't miss.
He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock. I am the lock. Listen up, Shoosh. I don't want any more smoke and mirrors from you or Otis. Stay out of my match with Gulak.
Oh, don't worry. Our new guy doesn't need any help. Wish I could say the same for you.
I'll be just fine on my own.
Believe me, everybody in WWE knows you'll be on your own. You guys haven't had your back since day one. None of you are on the same page. It's gonna make it all the easier for us to take their tag titles when the time is right.
My guys trust me to handle my business. Not that you would know anything about trust.
The man just... Rumors have been swirling around Gable and Otis' controversial recruiting for weeks, and tonight it all comes to a head between the IC champ and Drew Gulak.
The Lock isn't just fighting Alpha Academy's newest member, he's fighting for the truth.
Oh, quit being so dramatic, Saxton. Don't make me shush you.
What more can these two superstars do to each other?
Whatever it takes. Looking for the fast lane to the pay window. Falcon Arrow!
It's gonna take a certain kind of willpower to keep going after being taken down like that.
Stomping down! And the Lock has picked up the pace.
The Lock isn't holding anything back. Look at this. Snap suplex.
He's taking some good hits.
Very measured elbow drop.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. And now gets tossed into the ring. And now the Intercontinental Champion is headed up to the top rope to put the finishing touches on Drew Gulak. Is that Otis? Where'd he come from?
Low blow. Alpha Academy is in full attendance.
Now, Gulak looking to capitalize.
And their cheap shot there just cost the Intercontinental Champion the victory. And now the three Alphas are laying into the IC Champion.
Oh, where's the champ's backup? I can't watch this anymore, Cole.
Finally, we've got some extra help out here to put an end to this brutality. The newest member of Alpha Academy, Drew Gulak, can certainly thank his partners for that unearned W.
Well, I think Drew Gulak, Otis, and Gable just made their first big statement together. The new look Alpha.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Academy is ready to take the Intercontinental Champion to school.
The following is a six-man tag team match. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 692 pounds, The Lock, Daniel Morales, Gabriel Slade, and MVP, The Hurt Business.
Intercontinental titles don't grow on trees unless you're WWE's new golden boy.
Is that jealousy I'm hearing, Corey?
And their combined weight of 725 pounds, Chad Gable, Drew Gulak, and Otis, the Alpha Academy!
A matchup like...
The Hurt Business is officially open for customers as they square off tonight against the new-look Alpha Academy with Drew Gulak.
And not a moment too soon. The Intercontinental Champion is finally getting some much-needed backup against Gable, Otis, and Gulak.
Will Gabriel Slade and MVP actually have the locks back, though? I don't think that's a rock at all. See what I did there?
Into the corner. This can't be good.
Guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be right now.
What do they have in mind here?
Just when you think this match can't get any more risky.
It won't go on much longer if this lands.
Falcon Arrow connects.
Any move from the top like that is nearly catastrophic.
From behind. German suplex.
And they're still in this. There they go.
Ooh, big forearm. Ooh, bruising attack to the stomach. Hitting the edge of the ring like that can do some lasting damage to the body.
Look at this. And applied.
Dragon suplex. Fujiwara armbar applied.
Getting the upper hand by taking away your opponents.
Full Nelson. Reverse STO.
Hooking the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Northern Lights. The arm absorbing the damage.
Trying to take away that grip, that range of motion on that end.
Starting back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
Reversal. What a counter.
Oh my goodness!
Swinging side effect.
He's getting a little battered now. He needs to find his way back into the... Clearly against Gulak now.
Yeah, Locke is proving hard to keep up with. Big knee to the midsection.
What are we gonna see here?
Oh, neck breaker. Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Oh, man, what a strike.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Oh, the lock gets caught with a counter. Here he comes off the tag.
Clutch suplex.
Is it enough? The cover!
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups.
Now he's been put on the defensive.
Whoa, drop kick all the way to the outside. Gulak just rubbing it in right now.
Uh-oh.
Dropping the knee for more punishment. Measuring. Oof, face stomp.
Fires back with a knee across the midsection.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups.
Tossed into the corner.
Oh, what an uppercut.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, yes.
Cover. He got the shoulder up in time.
I don't know what more this superstar could do to put him away.
Otis just... Oh,
You can't take any more of that. This must be over.
oh, man. He can end it here.
He's got him.
Here are your winners. Gabriel Slade and MVP, The Hurt Business.
happy with their performance here tonight.
A win's a win, and it's also all that matters here in WWE. Good job.
Logan Paul picked a fight with Paul Heyman when he claimed that the E in ECW stood for easy. Now Heyman wants me to make an example of him for, and I quote, blatant and reprehensible disrespect. You free for an Extreme Rules?
Ladies.
It's the future. The E in WWE usually stands for entertainment, but tonight it stands for extreme. Logan Paul and The Lock are facing off in an Extreme Rules match.
Did you get that clear with Corporate Cole?
You're missing the point, Corey, which is that nothing comes easy in WWE.
I think I missed more than the point because I have no idea what you two are talking about.
Vicious right forearm.
Paul's attack gets reversed.
Real European uppercut.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups.
And he goes into the ring. Taking this outside. This could be good.
Any chance the table will be set up for a lovely spread? Never mind, that never happens. Someone is likely going through it. Clearly thinking a steel chair is what's needed right about now. Boom. Vicious right forearm.
Oh my God, DDT! Out of the ring, what's his plan here?
Oh, risky business is afoot with the ladder in play now.
Back into the ring. Knee straight to the gut, stays off the attack. In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
He skirts away, living to fight another day. He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring. He returns to the ring. Guys, broken in half.
I don't know who got the worst of that, him or the table. Just brutal.
That was painful just to watch.
Flying forearm connects.
Target acquired and destroyed.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. Counters, this could be an opportunity. Looking worse for wear in the corner now. Looking a little out of it, up on that turnbuckle.
What are we going to see here? Oh, no way. No way.
A Falcon Arrow from the to be in right now. And Paul is being picked apart here.
A killer instinct from the Lock is shining through.
Up against the steel. Oh, that'll leave a mark. Bad spot for him here. And that ladder is so very unforgiving. He has to be at his limit now.
I don't want to say he's done, but I can hear the fat lady warming up.
Oh, what a spear!
Has the Lock settled this?
Two! An incredible win for the Lock.
Here is your winner,
superstar, Cole.
WWE beware, The Rock is officially living up to his name.
This one felt special from the moment the bell rang.